I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the guitar ready and choosing a usable scale shape. Tune the instrument and confirm intonation, then pick a scale like minor pentatonic or major so you have a clear target. Locate the root on the low E string and place your fretting thumb behind the neck for balance. Once done, learn the first scale box slowly, use single-note repetition to build muscle memory, and focus on clean fretting with even timing to set a solid foundation. Now you connect that first box to neighboring boxes so the scale becomes a continuous map. Find shared root notes or common tones that bridge boxes, then practice ascending and descending sequences while the metronome keeps you steady. Focus on the intervals, thirds and fourths, to make melodic links and practice smooth string transitions with consistent alternate picking. Once you can move between boxes without pausing, start varying rhythms and accent. Finish by integrating the connected scales into musical contexts. You should run the patterns up and down the neck, deliberately target chord tones over a progression, and improvise short motifs that move through boxes. Once comfortable, play along with backing tracks or loop a chord vamp to test musicality. If you hit buzzing notes or timing slips, slow the tempo, isolate the troublesome box, correct fingering or muting, and only then increase speed. This troubleshooting approach prevents relearning mistakes and preserves clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.